Oma Sense was designed with WakeUp Technology, which features fluctuating vibrations, LED, and Audible Alerts to increase baby's response to stimuli. If no movement is detected for 15 seconds, Oma Sense sounds an audible alarm with flashing LEDs and a gentle vibration to stimulate your baby and encourage the return of regular abdominal movement. If movement returns, the Reassurance Indicator will return to flashing blue every 30 seconds and will continue to monitor your baby's movement. If movement does not return 5 seconds after the first alert, Oma Sense sounds an emergency alarm with flashing LEDs and an audible alarm to alert you your attention is needed. Oma Sense will encourage movement with a short period of vibrations. This alarm will continue until the device is powered off. For more helpful tips and resources, visit mylevana.com. Worry less. Do more.